we have this freezer for new. We have it for new price, and the price is way more cheaper than others item on 1688. Imagine this price. This new fridge sold for 116, and let's see this second one as well. This one is sold for 113, and this freezer is new. Now this is also iPhone 11, and this guy is selling his iPhone 11 for this price, 750 RMB. So if you are to click on it now, you just want to make inquiry, right? This is the type. You can see it here. It's telling you that it's Apple phone. This is the product type, and this is what the category, which is iPhone 11, and the storage. This is the storage. Is having 120 gig. Come, guys! I found a new update for you guys. It's going to shock you. Now, I get to discover there is also a website there in China that you can also buy your used iPhone there, anything used. As a matter of fact, this new website that I just discovered,
update cast but update don't finish because update is always up to date.
They sell a whole lot of used products there. Maybe let me say 95 or 80% of anything they are selling on this website is used item, right? So you can buy your used iPhone, you can buy your used freezer at cheap price. And one thing I love about this new website is the fact that they also accept payment via Alipay, and they don't charge for local shipping fee. I love the fact that they don't charge for local shipping fee. This is a video you don't want to miss, right? So please, if this is your first time of seeing a video like this is Xianyu of Logistics, and here we basically discuss everything that have to do with mini importation business, how you can grow your business online. So please do well to like our video, share it, and subscribe. It is very, very much important, so YouTube will be able to notify you when next I'm posting another helpful content like this. But before we go into the tutorial, if you want me to help you buy any item from this tutorial, from this video you're about to watch, we are available for procurement, training, and Alipay funding, and we can also mentor you on anything at all that have to do with mini importation business. Just reach out to me on Instagram or on WhatsApp, right? So this used item on this website, the name of this website is called 𝐻𝐻𝐵. You can also do well to browse anything there. What I love about this website is the fact that they will show you all the pictures, unlike 1688 that the way they have display price. No, there's nothing like that. So it is used item. They will tell you everything you want to know about the item before you make a purchase, right? So if without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So this is the app we are going to be making use of, right? So the name of this app is called 𝐻𝐻𝐵, and in China they also call it Xianyu, right? So this app is not available on Play Store anymore, just like the way that Alipay and 1688 is no longer available on Play Store. I'm going to be leaving how you can download 1688 app, Alipay app, and also how you can download this same app in a faster method. So just after watching this video, you can just check under the description button, or before even proceeding, you can also do well to download it first. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's open the app to see what we have in here. All right, so now basically on this 𝐻𝐻𝐵, I can tell you that 70% of any item you are buying on this 𝐻𝐻𝐵 is used item, right? I just discovered that you can buy a whole lot of used item that you must have been searching for. In terms of phones are cheap here, clothes are also cheap here. Now I'm going to be experimenting this. Like, what do I mean by this? Now let's scroll down. Let me try to show you some items that are way cheaper than 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, and the likes, right? So let's look for, now imagine that you are buying this refrigerator. I think, no, this is even washing machine here. This is washing machine, and this washing machine is sold for how much? 100 RMB. Imagine how much you are going to be paying for this. Although this is not a new item, it's used item. That is why I said this app is more or less like what? used item that they are selling there. Let's say 70% of any item you see here is used. But that does not mean they are not selling new items. They are also selling new items here. Now let me click on this washing machine here for us to see the items, right? So now this is the item, this is the washing machine. You can see how big it is, right? Now these are different comments if you want to check the comments. And the payment method is what? Is Alipay. Their payment method is Alipay. I'm still coming to this, right? We are going to be taking a look at these things one after the other. But let's start from this picture here. Also, what I love about this app was the fact that anything you buy there is the price, or anything you see that the supplier or the seller is displaying, just like the price here, it is the price. Unlike 1688 that we have something called display price, that you can see a item with 100 RMB there, and once you click on it you can see 250 RMB there. That is market strategy. But this idle fish of a thing does not allow that. Any price you see on any item here, be it used or new item, that is the price. Right now you can see that you are going to be buying this. Now this does not mean that it might have fault or it might also not have fault. There is a way to go about this, which I'm still going to be showing you in my next tutorial, but I need you to get used to this app, and I want to show you that things are also available on this website that you can also buy. Now in terms of, let's look for fridge. Now let me go to their search icon here and let me type freezer here, or let me say fridge. I can say fridge. So let me just type fridge. So let me search for fridge now and see what we have. I'm going to be showing you and I'm going to be proving you wrong that we have both new item and used item. Now let's start from this first one here, right? So now this is the first one here. We have this freezer for new. We have it for new price, and the price is way more cheaper than others item on 1688. Imagine this price, this fridge, this new fridge sold for 116, and let's see this second one as well. This one is sold for 113, and this freezer is new. You can see nylon on it. That's why I said this is also a website that we can use to start making money in this 2024, right? Now looking at let me scroll down, looking at this guy here too. This is just a mini freezer here, and you can also see the price here that we have 82 RMB just for this freezer. Now if I'm to click on it, the price will still remain the same, right? The price will still remain the same. These are the pictures of this item. You can see how new this freezer is. These are the more pictures you need to know, and they are having different sizes. These are the sizes that we have. So now all for you to do is to do what? Message this supplier. The beauty part of this thing is the fact that they are going to be telling you the faults that this item is having. If you want to go for it, fine. That means you are going to be doing what? You are going to be fixing it yourself if you are okay with it. Also, this app gives you what? Another benefit of bargaining with the seller. Here, you can also negotiate this price. All right. So these are what you want to know when idle fish, or as at when idle fish is concerned. So these are a lot of fridge. Imagine you buying this type of fridge for how much? 101. This freezer here. So they are still new and they are still good. You can see a lot of prices here. Now this one says he's selling this fridge for how much? 100 RMB, which is awesome. So before you can get started, there are some procedure we need to look at. Now let me search for iPhones. I think this platform is a great platform you can also use to start buying your phone. Now this is iPhone 11, and you can see the price here. We have the price for how much? 920 yuan. And let's look for other iPhones as well. Now this is also iPhone 11, and this guy is selling his iPhone 11 for this price, 750 RMB. So if you are to click on it now, you just want to make inquiry, right? This is the type. You can see it here. It's telling you that it's Apple phone. This is the product type, and this is what? The category, which is iPhone 11. And the storage, this is the storage, is having 120 gig. If you want me to help you purchase from this item, we are also available. We can help you make any purchase, right? So now you can see that this is the we need to take this thing one after the other, right? We haven't signed up yet. It is when you sign up you can have full access for you to comment, for you to negotiate price, and for you to add your shipping address. This website is very simple. If you can find your way around 1688 app, then you should be able to find your way around this app as well. All right, so all this having been said, let me cancel this guy here. You can also look for any product, any other product you want to buy as at for when this app is concerned. You have opportunities to buy new items here. You also have the opportunities to buy used item there, right? So you can just search for any related thing at all, any related. Now let me click on this guy. We have a whole lot of things, just as if you are still purchasing from 1688 as well. You can see this bag here is sold for how much? Just 5.8 RMB to 32 RMB. You can see the prices here. From this, the seller ranges it from this price to 32 RMB. As very simple as that. You can see a whole lot of pictures when this app is concerned, right? So just search for it, search for anything here. This is a Apple wristwatch here, and before you know it, all you want to know is to start buying your item from 𝐬𝐳, right? So all this having been said, the next step you want to do is to start to sign up, right? So in my next tutorial now, we are going to be looking at how you can do what? Sign up and start buying from 𝐬𝐳. What you can do, the first thing is the registration. If I'm to click on this page now, another benefit of this app is they have different process that you can use to sign up, right? So you can sign up with Taobao, you can also sign up with Alipay, and you can also use your mobile number to sign up, right? So that is another benefit of this app, which in my next tutorial I'm going to be talking much more better on different method, because I'm going to be using different method for the sign up. So in my next tutorial now, we are going to be looking at how you can sign up using 𝐬𝐳 app, right? So I hope that you have gained one or two things in watching this tutorial like this. Make sure you download the app. Like I've promised that I'm going to be leaving the link that you can use to download this app under the comment section, and also under the description button of this tutorial, so you'll be able to watch how to download it. So in my next tutorial now, we are going to be looking at it properly. All right, so I hope you find value in watching this very tutorial today. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.